Raining versus Sticky. Wait, I could have done the 4 scatters. I would have been so happy. Let's start with Sticky. Okay. On here. Okay. On here now. Then I would be. Okay. One here, please. Please do one here now. Please do one here. Oh, that's a good hit. That's a really good hit. 19 bucks. It could have been a lot better. Please, one here. Oh, that's enough. 60. Nice. Yeah, no. Okay, then raining. And then it's good. Okay. Okay. Do more. Do this. Nope. Raining gonna be 0x, I think. Okay, not a 0x. Still not a 1x, but at least not a 0x. Come on. Do one. More. Yeah. What is this? Do that. Here. Oh. Oh, why didn't you do a fucking good symbol? Wow, those wilds were insane. A nice symbol would have been so fucking nice. Oh, one here. No. Wow. Yeah, done with the wilds, huh? Here. Oh, those doggos, if they were at the start. Okay. Please do something good at the end. Okay, it doesn't do shit. Well, Sticky is the winner. Oh, could have done it, please. Oh. One here now, one here. Oh, that's a good hit. Yeah. One here now, one here. Oh. Those doggos. Please be in the front, doggos. Please be in the fucking front. To want more wilds and stack that doggo right there. Oh. Could have been very good. Stack. Ray stacked it. No. Well, 60 bucks again. Well, it's printing. Come on. One more of those. It's fucking printing, man. Sticky wilds. No doubt, man. That those raining wilds were so bad. Oh. Okay, it's going downhill now, I feel. Come on. Double drop here. Oh, double drop. Please here. No. Oh, is that's okay. Oh, could have been good. Come on, more wilds. What the fuck are you? Oh, doggos hit. Ah, it wasn't so good. Come on. No. Well, I think this one is done printing.